Alright, here's the display on this. Temperature. Pressure delivery is 96. I want to see the H1 is the running hours, 80,467. Loaded hours is 18,622. Service hours is 3,999, which is, I don't think that's right based on how the oil looks. Oil looks a little dark, but so it probably needs a service. But anyway, right now it's at 94. It's hooked up to the red tank over here, and I'm going to do a quick walk around as it's running. There's a 10-second delay before it starts up, and it kicks off at 122. Fittings aren't very tight here, but let that condensation, I guess. Pretty loud without the covers on. There's the covers that go on the side. The temperature fault comes on at 160. I've seen it goes up to like 165, and then it comes back down to about 155. Maybe it comes on at 169 or 59. I don't think it starts circulating quite when it should. Maybe, I'm not sure, but it does cool off. Crack this and let the air out. It starts loading again. See the temp creeping back down. Must be it kicked on at 158. At 157, I think I can clear it.